Want to work from anywhere in the world? With remote jobs booming, more and more countries are offering visas for digital nomads and remote workers. But which ones are the best? Stay tuned as we break down the 10 best countries for remote work, covering visas, costs, earnings, and quality of life. Welcome to remote work heaven in these 10 countries. At number 10, we have magnificent Croatia. This country is becoming increasingly popular for its breathtaking coastal towns and charming historical sites. Why it's great? Croatia offers a mix of rich history, beautiful beaches, and a growing digital nomad scene, especially in places like Split and Dubrovnik. Visa and legal. Croatia recently introduced a digital nomad visa that allows remote workers to stay for up to a year. The process is relatively straightforward, though it's best to check the latest requirements. Cost of living and earnings. Expect to pay around $700 to $1,200 per month for rent in urban areas, with overall monthly expenses around $1,500 to $2,500. Many remote workers find that their salary stretches further here. Jobs in demand. IT, digital marketing, online education, and creative freelance roles. Pros: scenic views, rich culture, and a warm Mediterranean climate. It also has fast fiber optic internet. Cons: seasonal tourism can drive up prices during peak periods, and some bureaucratic hurdles remain. Croatia is a great option if you're seeking a blend of history, nature, and a laid-back work environment. Coming up, a country with one of the best healthcare systems in Latin America. But right now, let's head to number 9, Costa Rica, a paradise known for its pura vida lifestyle. Why? It's great. Costa Rica offers a high quality of life with its stunning natural landscapes, eco-friendly lifestyle, and relaxed pace. Visa and legal. The country has recently rolled out a digital nomad visa, which allows foreign workers to stay for up to 1 year and can be extended for another year. Immigration is generally friendly, though you should be prepared with income documentation. Cost of living and earnings. Rent typically runs between $600 to $1,000 per month. Overall, you can comfortably live on about $1,500 to $2,500 monthly, depending on your location. Jobs in demand. Digital marketing, IT services, consulting, and freelance creative work. Pros: amazing biodiversity, welcoming locals, and plenty of outdoor adventures. Cons: internet quality can vary in rural areas, and certain regions might have less developed infrastructure. Costa Rica is perfect for those who want nature, relaxation, and a community that values well-being. Coming up, a country with a 1-year visa-free stay for over 90 nationalities. Right now, let's head to number 8, Colombia, known for its transformation into a vibrant digital nomad hub. Why? It's great. The country offers a mix of modern urban life and natural beauty. Medellin, in particular, is famed for its spring-like weather and dynamic culture. It also has an excellent and affordable healthcare system. Visa and legal. Colombia's digital nomad visa allows expats to stay for 2 years, with income requirements that are quite accommodating for most remote workers. Cost of living and earnings. You can expect monthly expenses to be around $1,500 to $2,500, with rent often between $500 to $1,200. This allows many remote professionals to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle while earning competitive salaries. Jobs in demand. There is a strong demand for IT professionals, digital marketers, online education, and creative freelancers. Pros: affordable living, a growing expat community, and an emerging tech scene. The internet quality is good in major cities. Cons: safety can be an issue in certain areas, so research your destination carefully and pick a secure neighborhood. Colombia is an ideal destination if you want an energetic city vibe paired with low living costs. Coming up, a country that allows foreigners to start and run an online business in the EU without living there. Let's depart for number 7 on our list, Georgia, a hidden gem for digital nomads. Why it's great. Georgia boasts a unique mix of European and Asian influences, with Tbilisi emerging as a vibrant hub for remote work. Visa and legal. Many nationalities can stay visa-free for up to 1 year, provided they meet specific financial and eligibility requirements. Cost of living and earnings. With rent as low as $300 to $800 per month and overall expenses around $1,200 to $2,000 monthly, Georgia offers incredible value. Jobs in demand. The IT sector, digital marketing, creative services, and online education are booming. Pros: extremely low cost of living, friendly locals, and a rich cultural heritage. Also, there is fast internet in major cities. Cons: infrastructure can vary, and language barriers might be challenging in more remote areas. If you're after affordability and a culture-rich experience, Georgia should be at the top of your list. Want to work on the beach? Coming up soon, we have a tropical paradise that's worth considering. But right now, let's depart for Estonia, a country known for its digital innovation and forward-thinking government. Why it's great. With its e-residency program and a dedicated digital nomad visa, it's tailor-made for remote entrepreneurs and tech professionals. Visa and legal. The digital nomad visa is straightforward, and the e-residency program allows foreigners to start and run an online business in the EU without living there. It also gives you access to digital business services, regardless of where you are in the world. Cost of living and earnings. Rent in Tallinn ranges from $550 to $1,300 per month, and overall living costs can be managed on around $1,800 to $3,000 per month. Many remote workers earn salaries in global currencies, making Estonia an attractive destination. Jobs in demand. IT, startups, digital marketing, creative industries are thriving. Pros: cutting-edge digital infrastructure, fast internet, and a strong entrepreneurial ecosystem. Cons: winters can be harsh, and while affordable compared to Western Europe, it's pricier than some other destinations on our list. Estonia is perfect for those who want to blend work with technological innovation. Coming up, a country that has a siesta culture that encourages a relaxed and enjoyable lifestyle. Please subscribe to Chase This Place for more first-rate content. Let's head to number 5 on our list. Indonesia's Bali, a legendary destination for digital nomads. Why it's great. Bali offers not just beautiful landscapes and a relaxed vibe, but also an ever-growing digital nomad community. It's a hotspot for creatives, tech workers, and entrepreneurs. Visa and legal. Indonesia has recently introduced a digital nomad visa that can extend your stay up to 5 years, making it one of the more attractive long-term options. Cost of living and earnings. Rent can range from $500 to $1,200 per month in Bali, with total monthly expenses usually falling between $1,500 and $2,500. This affordability, combined with earning in a stronger currency, makes Bali extremely appealing. Jobs in demand. Digital marketing, content creation, IT services, and creative freelance work. Pros: incredible natural beauty, a supportive community of remote workers, and a low cost of living. You can also spend your days working on the beach. Cons: internet reliability can be spotty in more remote areas, and popular spots can become overcrowded during peak tourist seasons. For those looking to mix work with a tropical paradise, Bali is hard to beat. Coming up, a country that allows foreigners to stay for up to 20 years with multiple entry privileges. But first, let's head to number 4, Spain. a country celebrated for its culture, food, and work-life balance. Why it's great. Cities like Barcelona, Madrid, and Valencia provide a lively urban experience with plenty of opportunities for leisure. Spain is also embracing the remote work trend with its very own digital nomad visa. Visa and legal. The visa process is evolving, with requirements around a steady monthly income, roughly $2,400 per month, and proof of health insurance. While the bureaucracy can be a bit slow, the system is becoming more digital-friendly. You can stay for 1 year with the option of extending it to 5 years. Cost of living and earnings. Rent can vary from $760 to $1,500 per month. Overall, expect monthly expenses between $2,000 to $3,000. Though many remote workers earn in strong currencies that balance the costs. Jobs in demand. There's a high demand for IT professionals, graphic designers, remote sales, online education, and content creators. Pros: rich cultural experiences, excellent food, and easy travel within Europe. You can also enjoy Spain's siesta culture, long lunch breaks, and life at a relaxed pace. Spain has fast, stable internet. Cons: higher cost of living in major cities and sometimes lengthy visa procedures. Spain offers an enriching lifestyle for those who want to work amidst history, art, and a vibrant social scene. Coming up soon, a country where you can stay for 4 years with only a moderate income. But first, let's set sail for number 3 on our list, Thailand, a favorite among digital nomads. Why it's great. Thailand offers a fantastic blend of urban buzz and relaxed island life. Cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai are known for their affordable living, rich culture, and energetic expat communities. Visa and legal. Thailand offers a long-term visa for retirees and remote workers. The Thai Elite Visa allows foreigners to stay for up to 20 years with multiple entry privileges, while the retirement visa is available for those over 50. Cost of living and earnings. Rent in Thailand can be as low as $300 to $800 per month, with overall living expenses typically ranging between $1,200 to $2,000 monthly. This affordability allows many remote professionals to enjoy a high quality of life. Jobs in demand. There's a strong demand for IT roles, digital marketing, consulting, and creative freelance work. Pros: delicious food, a rich cultural heritage, and a high quality of life. Cons: visa complexities, occasional inconsistencies in internet quality, and seasonal weather extremes can be challenging. Thailand remains a top pick for those who crave a dynamic and affordable lifestyle in Southeast Asia. Coming up, a country that offers a golden visa program that allows expats to gain residency by making investments. But first, let's head to number 2, Mexico, a destination that strikes a perfect balance between vibrant culture and modern conveniences. Why? It's great. With a warm climate, diverse cultural offerings, and a burgeoning remote work community, Mexico has become a favorite among digital nomads. Whether it's the beach towns of Playa del Carmen and Tulum or the urban vibe of Mexico City, there's something for everyone. Visa and legal. Mexico offers a simple and accessible temporary residency visa, allowing expats to stay for up to 4 years with relatively easy requirements. Many foreigners qualify just by showing a moderate monthly income, around $2,500 or savings. Cost of living and earnings. Rent usually ranges between $600 to $1,200 per month, and overall expenses are about $1,500 to $2,500 monthly. This enables remote professionals to enjoy a great lifestyle without breaking the bank. Jobs in demand. The IT sector, creative fields, online education, and virtual assistance roles. Pros: warm weather, friendly locals, a rich culinary scene, and plenty of networking opportunities in vibrant digital communities. There's also high-speed internet in big cities. Cons: safety can be a concern in certain regions, so it's essential to research and choose secure areas, and sometimes navigating local bureaucracy can be challenging. Mexico is an excellent choice if you want a mix of cultural vibrancy and modern amenities while enjoying affordable living costs. A tip for remote workers. Research has shown that working and sleeping in different rooms will help you switch off at the end of the day. And finally, our #1 destination for remote work is Portugal. Time and again, digital nomads have praised Portugal for its exceptional quality of life. Why it's great? Portugal offers a welcoming environment, mild weather, and a thriving digital nomad community in cities like Lisbon, Porto, and even on the island of Madeira. It's known for its rich culture, safety, and modern infrastructure, visa and legal. With options like the digital nomad visa and the D7 visa, especially for those with passive income, Portugal makes it relatively easy for remote workers to stay for 1 year with the option to extend the visa. The process can be bureaucratic at times, but many find it well worth the effort. Cost of living and earnings. While Lisbon might be on the pricier side, with rent typically between $980 to $1,600 per month, smaller towns offer more affordable options. Overall, a comfortable lifestyle is possible for around $2,000 monthly, making your income stretch even further when paid in a stronger currency. Jobs in demand: IT, digital marketing, consulting, creative industries, and startup roles are all flourishing. Pros: excellent healthcare, high quality of life, robust internet connectivity, and easy travel across Europe. It also has sunny skies for 300 days per year. Cons: bureaucratic processes can be slow, and rising demand from expats has started to push up housing costs in popular areas. Portugal stands out as a destination where work meets leisure, a place that nurtures creativity and productivity while offering a uniquely vibrant lifestyle. Coming up in our next video: secrets to affordable living in expensive countries. Kindly click on the video in the top right-hand corner. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for first-class content about expat life. Which country are you considering for your next remote work adventure? Let us know in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching.